Well, the Court of Arbitration accepts protest lodged by India against the disqualification of Vinesh Phogat from the finals after she was found overweight by 100 grams. Vinesh Phogat can still claim for a silver medal is what we're learning at this point in time. Mehndi Garg, my colleague, is joining us on the broadcast to talk more about this. Mehndi, this is obviously a good development, in order to understand what really went on and what are the precedents. Why was this done over 100 grams is something that the IOA is definitely going to consider.
Well, yes, rightly said, Vineet. This is a very big development as all the Indians were waiting for this silver medal, not for gold if we talk about, because she has been disqualified. But the silver medal she has won fair and square in the semi-finals by winning the semi-finals 2 days back, as we saw. And now big development has come when Court of Arbitration has accepted the protest that has been lodged by India, and now Vinesh Phogat can still claim for silver medal. And as we all know, we need that Vinesh Phogat has moved to the Court of Arbitration for Sports, demanding an Olympic joint silver in the 50 kg wrestling category after she was disqualified from the finals for being overweight by only 100 grams at the time of the weigh-in. So Vinesh was disqualified, but now a good development and a belief also have, again risen up in all the Indians and also Vinesh Phogat, because there is a chance that she can get silver medal to India. And also IOA will, take a big inquiry under this matter and will think about what went wrong and an inquiry will happen, because IOA will give their final decisions tomorrow that will she be able to get the silver medal or not. But as of now, Court of Arbitration has accepted this protest that has been launched by India, and we can still, and Vinesh Phogat can still get a silver medal for India.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.